Hey guys, want to do a quick video on how I prepare to do an installation. Today, I'll be doing a donation installation for a family member. It's going to benefit both of us. It's my aunt's birthday. I'm so excited about it. And also, I get to use this as advertisement to begin my business. So if you want to, I recommend that if you want to start businesses for the balloons, that you start off with the Amazon kits. They're a little bit cheaper and you can play with them, get an idea as to how you would like to organize balloons and things like that. So what I did last night is I set up a plan first. I visualized in my head how I wanted to do the tails of her of her arch. I know it makes probably no sense to you, but it's going to make sense to me. I put it in my code. So I organize how I want to do the arch because I'm doing this installation at someone's home from scratch to the end because I have a small car, so everything has to be done there. So I believe you can be organized when it comes to doing your arches from scratch at someone's house. You just have to prep, separate, and have everything ready to go. So when you get there, things like that. So I'm gonna tell you how I prep. So first I have all white 10 inchers. For how I want to do hers, I need two 8 clusters of these 10-inch whites. So I put 16 of these in there. Then I wanted 2 8 clusters of these 10-inch light purples, I believe this is. And so I put 16 of them in this snack bag to keep separated. So I'm going to do those first. And then I had another one in here. Get out my video, please. Excuse me.
Sorry.
Come around. You're in the way. Sorry for my nosy daughter. I'll find the other ones in here. Okay, so no, these are actually the light ones. And those are the darker purples I just showed you. These are 16 10-inchers that, again, I'm going to make tails with clusters of these 3 colors. And so what I did after I organized those, all these are my 12, the rest of the 10-inchers and the 5-inchers to make additional clusters for filling in my arch, okay? And accents. These are also accents, which are the metallic and I believe 10 as well, and the marble in 10 inchers. Okay, so that's all ready to go. And I know this whole bag is 10 inches of marble and metallic. Okay, then next, this is just what the kit came with. So you see there, it has how many is in what and what you get, and it also came with butterflies. So in this one, I have organized all my 12 inchers. Light purple, dark purple, and the confetti. Those are all the 12 inchers. Those I can cluster with the 10s and make different, figure out what type of clusters. This is when I will get into the art part of it. And I'll decide when I get there how I'm going to do that. But at least I know all my 12 inchers are together, so I don't have everything all over the place because I am going somewhere where there's a very young child, so I have to keep everything pretty organized. And then this is just the extra package that has not been opened. So if I need anything breaks, everything is just extra. So when you're going to do an installation, I would recommend having lots of extras. Okay. Then I also have some Qualitex 5-inchers for accents as well. These are the quartz purple. I have 2 bags of those. Like I said, always bring extras because if this is a paying client, you want to be able to accent if they ask you a dropper's notice to accent. Then, but have your pricing ready for however many additional feet. These are just regular latex. They're not any specialty balloons. So I can just, charge, for just the pack probably, but, and the time. if that makes sense. So hourly rate and your materials. Okay, that's that. Then I have her some beautiful orbs. Got those ready to go. Okay. Then I have my hand pump in case the other one goes out. And then I had bought a marble package as well, a separate marble purple. I've used these balloons in like a pink, this brand, and they actually were really good. So that's that. And there's my machine. I just have to make sure, change this tip and put it here so it doesn't get lost. And then the pack of string and butterflies and ribbon, all that good stuff. So what else is in here? And just take a regular duffel bag. Don't take anything too gaudy, because in case you're by yourself and you're with a client you don't know, you don't want any luxury items on you. Okay, so get back. So I have a moving blanket, but I'm taking this plastic bag. Usually when you do balloons, you will need to make sure that you have the floor clean, or you don't feel comfortable asking your client to clean. Then you can bring a blanket, a tarp, or in my case, I'm going to bring this plastic bag. Are you serious? Why are you jumping on my couch? Get down and go upstairs, please. Sorry, guys. It's kids doing what kids do. Oh, goodness. So, anywho, you have that either to throw garbage away, whatever you need to do. So, since I know who this is, I'm just bringing this just in case I need to sit my balloons on and have a place to make sure everything is not getting dust or anything like that. And speaking of that, I'm going to get a microfiber towel so that I can wipe down balloons that are dusty. So before I go on installs, sorry. No, that's going to fall. That's all right. Before I go on installs, I like to moisturize my hands really well. Here it is. So I put hand cream, salve, and baby oil gel to seal my hands. This is going to be before I go, and then when I'm done with the installation, I'll wash my hands really well and put this back on. This stuff takes a toll on your hands. No one really talks about that. This has dried, this type of project dries my hands out really bad. So also I have a step stool that I'm taking with me so that if I need to sit or need to stand up on something, she has standard size ceiling heights, then I have a step stool of my own and I don't have to rely on anybody else's step stool or breaking it, or that it can hold my weight. So that's how I am prepping for a install. This is again a donation install, so I am using a Amazon kit, and actually maybe I can review this kit and tell you guys how I like it. Most of the kits, I think only one of the kits I've used since I've been doing this since October has had bad balloons. Every kit that I've ordered from Amazon has been amazing, and they've lasted. I have a Thanksgiving garland that's still up, and the balloons have not popped. They've been true to color. They've been amazing. They've been fine for me. So something like this where you're donating and you don't want to spend a lot of money, again, you can use the Amazon kits. So I'll talk to you guys later, and you have a blessed and balloon-filled day. Bye.